Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 widgets you should add to your home screen on your Oppo Find X5 Pro. So in order to add any widget, we'll need to hold our finger onto the screen and from here press the plus button at the top. And from this list you can pick any widget that you want. And here I'm gonna show you 3 of the most useful in my opinion. So the first one would be the clock with the first one, it's 4x2 option because it has this little weather visible. So let's just add it to the new screen like that and go back. And as you can see, there's a big clock which you can see the hour. There's a day for a specific week. There's also the current month and a day for a month. Now let's press on the weather while using this app and let's wait for a bit. Go back and you should see the weather for your current place. That's pretty handy to have. Now let's delete that, or actually let's keep it, but somewhere right here, and add another widget by pressing this plus button. And the next widget I would recommend is calendar schedule. Let's add it to our screen, go back, and here you can see the day of the week, month and day of the month. And it's very handy because you can press on this plus button and add any note or notification or just event to your calendar to not forget it. So let me add something like shopping list. And in today I want to go to the shopping, so let me configure it that way. So it's gonna be visible all day. I won't be adding any people. You can add any people you want. You can add video conferencing if you want. You can add a specific location. Like for example, I could add a shop right here in which I'm gonna go for. You can add a notification to remind you to actually do that specific event. You can change the color for it. So let me go for graphite, for example. And you can of course add a description. So if it's gonna be shopping list, it needs to have some items which I'm gonna buy. And in this case, I want to buy 1 cabbage. Like that. You can add even icons if you want. And our shopping list is ready. We could also add attachment if we want. And after doing all that, we can press save. Go back to our widget. And as you can see, there's a shopping list right here. It needed to refresh and we can see that we need to buy 1 cabbage. That's pretty handy as well. Now let's actually remove that one because we don't want it for now. Hold our finger again, press plus, and the last widget I'm gonna show you is, let me find it. Oh, here is a Google search bar. So in a few cases it's already available on your screen, but if you modified it, let me show you how to add it again. And it's very handy to have because you can instantly search for any Google information you want to find. Simply write like elephant and you have the result. You don't need to search for Google anywhere here if you lost it. You can also do it by voice and you can also scan anything you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.